to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your router, the Zyxel or something like that. So you put it in power, you get me? So I've put it in power already. So here on the wall, so I switch it on here. After switching it on the wall, then I need to get a wire, a cable from fiber box, which is gonna be this. Okay, this one from the fiber box. So after getting it from fiber box, it should be plugged in here on this blue thing. Once you put it in there, then the second step is to get a cable. You put it anyway here, log in there, you get me? After logging in there, then you put your stuff, you connect on the laptop, right? I don't think it has. Yeah, it has. After connecting this to the laptop, then you're gonna go to the laptop and look for any browser, and then in the browser there, you're gonna have to type in the IP address here you see on this phone, on this router, of which is yeah, 192. You can see that 192.168.11. okay, so 192.168.1.1. okay, once you've done that, you're gonna log in here. Okay, it gave you this. After giving you that, give it a chance to work out well. Sometimes it depends on the browser you're using, so I'm gonna click here, English, I'll set up English, yes. Then scroll down and say, ask me for login. So user login is bigger words. Okay, it was zoomed into, put it on 100. Okay, it's 100. Gonna ask me username and password. The username and password also, you're gonna find it here. Admin, then PDGB. Okay, admin. It's gonna be admin. Then here you get the PDG, you get me? PDGBA, but yours gonna be different, obvious. PDGBA V3H. Then we log in. Oh, okay, new password. They're asking for the new password. New password, I can say admin1. I like that. I like using admin1. Admin1. Then maybe we can skip. Let's skip that. Skipping is good because you see how to do. Let's go time zone, whatever, internet. Skip that. After skipping that, you're gonna go to this, you get me? So this is where you're going to log in and change this password, this username and all that, you get me? So here you can go to here, you can see the password here. It's the same password here you can see on this you get me, on that. So if you see that which is super different, okay, you can change it here, get me, you can change that. Also, this is the one for the guest, you can also change that, but they are off, these ones. So you can see they give us some options here, so we can say next. When you go to next, that's where we're gonna change our username and password, you get me here. So we can change that to X5 BMW. Then here it gives us medium. Wi-Fi name, we give it a Wi-Fi name, then password. You don't want to hide the password, so we come here and we say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we put it until 8, then we save. Okay, let's save it. Okay, give it time to save. Sometimes it could take time. Yeah, guys, you can see it saved. You can see this BMW and stuff. Good. Then we can go here next. So here, that's where you can change your ISP setup, IP address and all that, you get me. So we can save this. You can go back here anyway, learn ISP setup. You can go back here and we go on profile scheduled. Let me go here. You saw how to change your Wi-Fi password and all that. Okay, you can switch on that, add more profile. You can add more profile here if you want to add something. So if you don't want to add, then you can go away out of that. Okay, you can leave it DHCP if you wanted to create your stuff. So you can go next. Okay, we've been here. Yeah, guys, this the way you change your username and password from default to whatever. So also here you can click here. When you click there, you can see connectivity, wired, okay, Wi-Fi and all that is being showed here. You can go back here. Let me show you here.
What's wrong, Daddy?
Also we can go here. Okay, lane 2, all that, disconnect, all that is here. Yeah, so you can play with a lot of things if you want to. Full lane 2, it means it's in the port, the first port. That's why there's lane 2 here. So there's a couple of things you can play with, but now I wanted you to see how you can change your username and password on this specific router. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.